Before any medicine reaches you, it goes through multiple advanced analytical techniques to ensure its quality, safety, and effectiveness. In this video, you will understand all the major analytical and characterization techniques used in pharmaceutical and biotechnology industry, including their principle, working, and mechanism in a very simple and clear way. Welcome to Only Pharmacy. Analytical and characterization techniques play a crucial role in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industry. These techniques ensure that drug products meet the required standard of quality, safety, and efficacy. In this video, we'll cover chromatographic techniques, spectroscopic techniques, mass spectrometry, microscopy, thermal analysis, particle size and surface characterization, biotechnology techniques, X-ray based techniques, and other important analytical methods. Chromatographic techniques. Chromatography is used to separate, identify, and quantify components present in a mixture. The principle of chromatography is based on the differential distribution of compounds between the stationary phase and a mobile phase. In working, the sample is injected into the system and the mobile phase carries it through the stationary phase. Each component interacts differently, resulting in separation. The mechanism includes adsorption, partition, ion exchange, and size exclusion. For example, in size exclusion chromatography, larger molecule is first. Spectroscopic techniques. Spectroscopy is used to identify and characterize the molecular structures. It is based on the interaction of electromagnetic radiation with the matter. In working, the sample absorbs radiation at specific wavelengths and this absorption is measured. The mechanism includes electronic transition in UV visible spectroscopy, vibrational transition in infrared spectroscopy, spin transition in NMR, and inelastic scattering in Raman spectroscopy. Mass spectroscopic techniques. Mass spectroscopy determines molecular weight and structure. The principle is based on mass to charge ratio measurement. In working, the sample is ionized and the ions are separated and detected. The mechanism include ionization separation in mass analyzer and detection to produce a mass spectrum. Microscopy techniques. Microscopy is used for the morphology and particle characterization. The principle involves magnification using the light or electrons. In working, the sample interacts with the light or electron beams to form an image. Mechanism varies, same scan the surface, TEM show the internal structure, and AFM map the surface at nanoscale. Thermal analysis techniques. Thermal analysis studies how material behave with the temperature changes. The principle is based on measuring the changes in properties with the temperature. In working, the sample is heated in a controlled manner. The mechanism include DSC measuring the heat flow and TGA measuring the weight loss. Particle size and surface characterization. This technique determines the particle size and surface properties. In DLS, particle size is measured using Brownian motion and light scattering. Zeta potential measures the surface charge and stability. Laser diffraction determines size based on the light scattering patterns. Molecular biology and biotechnology techniques. This technique analyzes DNA and proteins. PCR amplified DNA using denaturation, annealing, and extension. Gel electrophoresis separates molecule based on size and charge. ELISA detects protein using antigen antibody interaction. Western blot identifies specific protein using antibodies. X-ray and structural techniques. X-ray techniques help study crystal structure. The principle is diffraction of X-rays by a crystal lattice. Working involves directing X-rays at a sample and recording the pattern. The mechanism involves constructive interference, revealing atomic arrangement. Other important analytical techniques include Karl-Fischer titration for moisture, pH measurement, dissolution testing, and rheology for viscosity and flow properties. So, these were the major analytical and characterization techniques used in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industry. explained with their principle, working, and mechanism. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Only Pharmacy for more such content. Also, let me know in the comments which topic you want next. Thank you for watching.